Alright, Tony. Here we go. I'm going to show you my new tickling balls shower head. First thing, I want to show you the size. Look at my hand. Look how big this fucking thing is. Now I'm going to show you the motion. By the way, you'll feel like a rock star too. Alright, that's the waterfall. Put the duck in. Look at that duck. Look at that duck. It's getting drenched. Now that right there, look at this ducky. It's drowning. It's drowning. And then that right there, my friend, is the jet. You put them in your balls, it'll tickle even more. I'm going to send you the link. Have a great night, my brother.